Hey guys, welcome back to Intermediate to Advanced Example Solves. The one that I did before seemed to do really well, so I decided to make another one, and hopefully every Wednesday I can upload another video just like the previous one. Without any further ado, let's get right into it. Alright, this scramble should appear on the top of the screen just like last time. Feel free to pause the video and just follow along. Alright, so the first thing I'm noticing with this scramble is all these white edges are really close to being relatively solved, meaning that they would be in the correct cross pieces, but they're just like a D move away. So the first thing that I would do is I would probably do these two, because then we can move on to this one. And then the cross is just a D2 away. Now the first thing I'm noticing is this red, white, and blue F2L pair that we can insert pretty easily into the back right. So here I'm going to do that right now. Now here's blue, orange, and white corner piece, and the edge is right here. So we can rotate and put that into the back, just like that. And now there's also this. We could have canceled into that, but just to show it real quick. So you hide the corner, connect the edge, and now it's a 3 mover. And then this one's real easy, just there. And then RU, R prime, U prime, times 3. And OLO, PLO. Alright, feel free again to pause the video to follow the scramble. Alright, so the first thing I'm noticing is this white and green edge piece that is almost solved, just a D2 away. But while we're doing that, we can also get these pieces also solved. So we'll do a D, R2, F, L, F. And then, since I'm also seeing these two, I'll do a U prime D, because now we can get straight into this pair into the back right. Now immediately I'm seeing this, which we can insert into the back left. Just separate them and insert. Alright, so here I'm seeing this pair. We could also do a keyhole, but I don't think it's necessary. So we'll do this pair. It's connected, and then solve it. And now this is just a 3 mover. OLO, PLO. I didn't want to rotate or do a U2, so I just did the algorithm from the back. And yeah, alright, on to the next solve. Alright, the scramble is once again on the top. Follow along if you want. Okay, now let's start looking at the scramble. So I'm seeing these edges that are not ideal for solving on white cross, as well as this that's also would be solved but is flipped, unlike this one. So I would start looking at yellow. Now for yellow, we have the same thing, except instead of the color being on the side, it's on the top, which is usually way easier. And also there's this nice pair that we can preserve. So I would do F2 R prime, and then these two pieces are also on the R layer. So I do D prime, R2, D prime, R. And now it's solved. So now there's this pair that's really nice to get into. It's real easy. And then there's also this pair, which they would be connected. This just needs to be here, so you can hide the corner, connect it, and now it's just a 3 mover. Now, alright, so what I would probably do here is I would do keyhole, which there are videos on that you can check out. I would do this to get the corner in place. And now something really nice that we can do is, since this corner needs to be here, we can move this there, and then insert this. And then once we do a D prime, it's solved. Now I would rotate to solve this into the back. Alright, we get a nice OLO. and H perm. Alright, that was it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed and hopefully learned something. I'll see you guys in the next one.